everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video is I'm gonna make a new DVD haul for the day. So yeah, I got some new DVDs from Walmart, and also from the thrift store, which is located near the downtown area here in the state of Wyoming, right, in Cheyenne City. So yes, okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. Okay, so I have two plastic right over here, so from Goodwill and also from a thrift store. So I'm gonna start up with a Goodwill, right? So okay, all right. So this is from the Goodwill, right? So you got like that one. So yeah, you're gonna have to go check that one also, right? Okay. So all right. So I'm gonna have to start up. Okay, I'm gonna have to start picking this up. So since my desk is full of things, right? So I'm gonna have to check that one over here. So I'm gonna have to check this first, right? So I'm gonna have to check this one. Okay, so this one right over here is from the TV series The Flash, right? So yeah, I've got the season 1. Okay, I've got the season 1. Okay, and then also I got the season 3, and then also I got also the season 4. Okay, and also the season 5. Okay, this is the season 5. So they don't have the season 2, and also they don't have the season 6 to 9, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to find the other season, right? So I'm gonna have to rewatch this again. It's because this season is a really good, right? And also I really love this the Flash TV series, right? So it's because it's full of lesson learning, right? So it's full of lesson learning. So before the first before the episode gonna wrap it up, okay, gonna close. So there is there are what is this called, quotes and lines, right? So yeah, some heroes made a mistake sometimes, like that. Yeah, so gonna have this one also because Grant Gustin is perfect for the Flash, right? So yeah, and it's also gonna love it also. I'm gonna have to rewatch this one. Okay, so yeah, there it goes. Yeah, season 1. Okay, these are all the these are all the season 1. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know that. So yeah, I did. So I don't have the disc. I don't have the disc for 2, right? I also have the disc 2, right? So I thought it was, yeah, I saw the season 1, right? Okay, yeah, so this is just only for the season 1. So gonna have to disc. So how many episodes in every, I think 1 only, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to check that out, right? So yeah, I didn't know that this is only the season 1, right? So why they didn't make the full season, right? Okay, so I'm gonna have to find that one. Okay, so all right, so next is, okay, we're gonna put this one. Okay, this, I've got this, the Unbreakable trilogy by I forgot what's the actor again. James McAvoy. Okay, I forgot. So the Unbreakable, M. Night Shyamalan's Unbreakable trilogy, but I don't have the Unbreakable. I only have the Glass and the Split. So James McAvoy is one of the best, okay, one of the best actors ever playing the villain right here. So, and I think the last, I don't know. I think Glass is the last one. So I think this is the second one, right? So Split, which is James McAvoy has a split personality right here. So this is it. dissociative identity disorder, right? DID. So he has a multiple personality in here in this movie. So right, and it's also we've got also the glass right here, which is also Bruce Willis and Samuel L. Jackson is right also in the movie, which is this is the last movie of the Unbreakable with the M. Night Shyamalan's Unbreakable trilogy, right? So I'm still gonna have to find the Unbreakable, right? So since Unbreakable is the first movie, right? I think so. All right, so okay. Next is also I've got also the Ghost Rider by Nicolas Cage, right? So I've got the 1 and the 2. All right, so yeah, yes, I didn't see that clear. I think I don't have a Ghost Rider right there. So yeah, so right here is from is Eva Mendes, right? So and Nicolas Cage. So I don't know if Eva Mendes reprised her role in the part 2, right? Yeah, so this is one of the best movie of Marvel of all time. So Ghost Rider, right? So and also they also make a TV series with the Ghost Rider, but it is not Nicolas Cage, right? And yeah, this is a good movie. This is a good movie to watch again. So best movie, okay? Nicolas Cage, Ghost Rider, and also Nicolas Cage is gonna be reprising another role in the Marvel Cinematic. Yeah, it is also the Spider Noir, right? So classic Spider-Man, okay? Okay, and then next is also I've got right here is Halloween, okay? We've got Rob Zombie's Halloween. Ooh, look at that, Mike Myers, right? Yeah, so okay, I think I don't know what is the part 2, part 1 over here. So it's because there's so many Halloween movie, right? There's so Halloween movie. So yeah, so I check all of this. There's a CD on it, right? Okay. And it's also it's a blockbuster DVD. It's a blockbuster DVD case here. So and it's also this is also the Halloween unrated. So I think part 1. Okay. So because this is the part 2. So okay, so right over here is the special features of the film, and also the movie is right here is the first DVD. All right, so okay, and then let's get over onto this one right here is also I've got also the first movie of The Purge, right? So for a producer of Paranormal Activity and Sinister. So and it comes with a book cover, and then so the CD the CD is right there. So so before you buy, okay, check the CD. It's because sometimes there's check if there's the CD on it, because others don't have a DVD on it, right? So you better be careful for that in the thrift store, just like Goodwill, right? So so I think when I check some movies, and then I found out that when I open up, there's no CD on it. Okay. That's why, one thing. So you're gonna have to check that out first, okay? Okay, and also I've got also the Saw movie is the 7 film collection here in a one case, right? So I didn't expect this one, right? So I didn't expect this one. So we've got the 7 film collection of the Saw, okay, and then all of the CD, all of the DVDs right here inside. So we've got the part 1 right over here, right? And also, okay. And also, the part 2 is right over here, is the Saw, okay? Okay, I forgot, okay? Okay, part 1 and part 2 is in one CD, one DVD, and also in the one DVD is also part 4 and the part 5. Okay, and right over here is the last, is this 4, is a two movies also all in one. We got the 6 and the 7. Ooh, nice, like that, yeah. So love this one, okay. This is I didn't expect this one so to have this, okay. So but the greatest bargain of this, but the greatest movie that I picked is from the thrift store, right? Which is bunch of movies. And also if you are a collector, make sure that you collect all of the movies, all of the film of that said movie, right? So like for example, the Fast and the Furious, you're gonna have to have that all right? So okay, so So alright, so let's go get over to the next one, okay? And yeah, for this movie is this is the greatest bargain because this right over here, as you can see that, okay, this is the greatest bargain of this is the greatest pickup of all time, right? So I'm gonna have to pick this on. So this is the Fast box set, okay, the Fast and the Furious film collection, right? The Ultimate Ride collection. So now from part 1 to part 10, I think. Yeah, so okay, yeah, there you go, guys. I also checked this out, okay. I also checked this out, and they got the book right over here also, right? Okay, what's in here? What's inside of this other side of the book? Okay, what's in this? Okay. Okay, nothing. So right there is also the DVD of the Fast and the Furious. So, ooh, look at that. So this is the box set, and you won't believe the price. Okay, it's not just too high for the price, right? So for $8, I think that would be a great bargain, right? So if you're really into it, right? So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. It's because sometimes like that. Okay, so I don't want to talk about it anymore. So we've got right here is the Fast and the Furious film, the Ultimate Ride collection. Okay, right over here inside is we've got something like that one over here, right? And also this is the first movie over here. And also this is the Fast and the Furious, the original. So this is the part 1 of the movie. Oh, look at that. It's on it's on Blu-ray. Okay. I didn't know I didn't know that it's a Blu-ray. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that it is a Blu-ray. So when you look at that, yeah, I didn't know that it is a Blu-ray. So, and also we've got right here is the part 2, which the Too Fast, Too Furious. Okay. I didn't check the CD, right? Okay, so I only check the cover. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, it's so transparent, right? So look at that, a transparent one. Okay, and the next is also we've got the part 3 of the movie, which is the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Yeah, favorite of all time. Okay, and also next is gonna get over it. Here is the part 4, which is the Fast and the Furious, Fast and Furious. Okay, that is the movie. Okay, yeah, look at that. So, and then we got onto the 5, which is the okay, there you go. We got the Fast and the Furious, Fast 5. So this gonna be I think Paul Walker's last movie. So I didn't. Okay, I got no. Okay, we've got right here is also yeah, Paul Walker is still in this 6 movie, right? The Fast and the Furious, Fast and Furious 6. Okay, this is the 6th movie. All right, so okay, gonna have to check that out. All right, so there are fingerprints on it. Yeah, I think someone checked it this one also, right? I think someone's gonna have to buy it, but they don't buy it. So, and also Fast and the Furious Fast 7. I think this will be the last movie of Paul Walker. So yeah, get that. So we get the CD. Yeah, fingerprints all over. Okay, and also the Fast and the Furious, the Fate of the Furious, which is the part 8 of the movie. Yeah. So, and it's also got the Jason Statham right there. And also, we've got right here is the bonus disc. Oh, okay. Okay. So, it's just only the 8 movies, okay? Fast and Furious collection bonus disc. Okay. There are, okay, there you go. Only 8 movies here. Okay. Yeah, only 8 movies. So I think they make this movie before the the Fast and the Furious 9 and 10, right? And it's also, I saw some right there is the you know, sub movie of the Fast and Furious, which is Hobbs and Shaw, which I'm gonna have to get that one onto the next, right? Also, yeah. 1 to 8, there you go. The Fast and the Furious 1 to 8 movies, okay, right over here in this box set, okay, for only a couple of bucks, okay. I'm gonna have to, you know, like, gonna put it like that. So yeah, this one right over here, and then how to put it in. There you go. There you have it. Ooh, the Fast and the Furious, right? And also this one, okay, also at the back, right? Yeah, okay, there you go. This is gonna be my thumbnail, okay? Alright, so next. Alright, so next is gonna be some movies right over here. I'm gonna have to go with this one. Okay? And then I'm gonna have to go with this first, okay? I'm gonna have to go with the hub, you know? Yeah. So alright, okay. Okay, so okay, right over here I guess the Divergent series. Divergent film series. Okay, so gonna have to put that one over here. I got the Divergent and Insurgent right here. Okay, so based on the worldwide bestseller, right? And I think this is from a novel. Yeah. So we've got, okay, you got over here the Divergent and the Insurgent also. So yes, pick up again. So greatest pick up of all time. So yes, and then also I've got also the trilogy of the Death Race, or the Maze Runner, the trilogy of the Maze Runner. Okay, we got, okay, over here. Okay. Okay, where is that? Okay, where's the other one? Okay. Okay, where's that? Okay. Yeah, the Maze Runner is a double feature also. We've got also the Maze Runner and the Scorch Trials. Yeah, so, and also I got a separate movie also of the Scorch Trials also, right? When I found out that this movie has two movies right over here. So yeah, the Maze Runner and the Scorch Trials. So I think part two is the Scorch Trials, right? So yeah, there you go. And yeah, this is the separate movie of the Scorch Trials. And then he also has the CD on it, right? And also for the third movie is also we've got the Death Cure, right? The Maze Runner, the Death Cure. So yes, this one will also get a great movie right over here, right? So I've got the trilogy of the Maze Runner. Okay, so next is also I have this Hunger Games trilogy. Okay, yeah, I got the Hunger Games trilogy. So the other one has a seal on it, which is the Catching Fire. So where's the first one? Okay, I'm gonna have to check the first one. Yeah. Okay, there you go. We've got, okay, we've got right here is the first Hunger Games, right? Jennifer Lawrence, okay, the first movie. And also the next is also right over here is also I've got the okay, oh, Catching Fire. Okay, we've got the Catching Fire, so it's still on a, yeah, like this one. Okay, and then book cover case, I think so. And also we've got the Catching Fire part. We've got, okay, what is this one? Okay, okay, this is the Hunger Games. Okay, I forgot. So this is the part 2, Catching Fire. Okay, and also we've got the Hunger Games Mockingjay part 1 and also the Mockingjay part 2 right over here. So yeah, so since it is a sealed, they just put a tape on it, right? So let's go, gonna have to take it out. Okay, so right, so then there you go, is the CD inside. Okay, Alright, so there's still more tape on it. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, and also the next is also right over here is also the this one. Okay, so check that out. Okay. They put some tape on it, right? Okay. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so okay. Okay. Suspicious. Okay. There you go. Yeah, okay. That is why, okay. And then also this one, I think, yeah, it's the, you know, stop catching fire. Okay, it's on seal. Okay, oops, sorry about that. And gonna check that out also. Yeah, there you go. And there's, you know, like this one. So yeah, there you have it. So we've got the complete movie for the we've got the complete movie of the Hunger Games right over here, trilogy. So the last movie is you know, divided into two. So right, so yeah, it's divided into two. So got all over here, right? Okay, so the next one is also I got the Sean Connery 007 collection. Yeah, so James Bond. So this is volume 2, okay? Yeah, volume 2, okay? This is a volume 2. So most movies, okay, from the classic movies, and all the movies are right here. Look at that. So Thunderball, yeah, and also the special features for the Thunderball, and also You Only Live Twice, okay, and also the special features for also the You Only Live Twice, okay, and then Diamonds Are Forever, yeah, okay, best movie. I really love this, okay. Diamonds Are Forever, and it's also we've got the Diamonds Are Forever also with the is the special features here. So there are only one, two, three movies, okay, three movies for Sean Connery's 007, right? So this is the volume 2. So I think there's gonna be a volume 1 and a volume 3, I think. So how many movies does Sean Connery has, okay, for the 007, okay? Ian Fleming's 007 James Bond. So okay, they got right here, all right, at the back. So Thunderball, You Only Live Twice, and Diamonds Are Forever. So state of the art restoration. Oh, okay, they restore it. Okay, this one, okay, love this. Okay, gonna have to rewatch this. Okay, yeah. So all right, and then the last three. Okay, I'm gonna have to check for the Gladiator 1, okay? I already have the part 2, so I have now also the Gladiator, the first movie, which is Gerard Butler, right? Okay, I think, yeah. Russell Crowe, okay, it's Russell Crowe. So, yes, so gonna have to check. So, and also 5 Academy Awards in 2000, including the Best Picture, so which is, this is the really great movie of all time, right? So yes, I have this one, and also I also love this movie, so I already watched this one, so I'm gonna have to rewatch it again. All right, so okay, and the next, okay, we got some DC. Okay, I've got also the Birds of Prey and the Emancipation of the One, Harley Quinn here. So I love this movie, but you know, there's one thing that I don't like about is because of the I think there's an LGBTQ right over here, right? So yeah, but you know, I don't mind at all. I don't mind at all. So yeah, so I prefer the first one. Okay, I prefer the first one, Birds of Prey, which is a TV series, which is, it has Oracle, Huntress, and I forgot that other one. So there are three. Okay, there are three in the original TV series of the in the original TV series of the Birds of Prey. Right? So Birds of Prey movie. So from and also Harley Quinn's right here is Margot Robbie, which is the perfect role for Harley Quinn. So okay, so next is gonna be also right here is Suicide Squad. Okay, so we've got this Joker right here. So but Joker is just only what is it? Only cameo, Jared Leto. Okay, Jared Leto. So yeah, Will Smith, Jared Leto, Margot Robbie, Joel Kinnaman, and Viola Davis. So yeah, Amanda Waller, Viola Davis. Okay, so this gonna be also I think it's an Ayer cut, so it's David Ayer. So the other movie is the Suicide Squad, which is I think James Gunn is the the yeah, because there are two, because this is the Ayer, okay, because this is David Ayer. So the new Suicide Squad is the Suicide Squad, all right, and it's also which is directed by James Gunn also. Say okay, so and then after that, so continuing all of the right, so continuing all of this DC Universe and James Gunn's directed, okay, and so James Gunn CEO of the, I think, yeah, CEO of the, what is it, okay, CEO of the, yeah, oh, there are two CDs, okay, I didn't know that there are two CDs, okay, because it's because they have because they put some tapes on it, right? So this thrift store has a lot of DVDs, right? So that is why I also love to go there. So there's one, okay, there's the movie, and then the other one is the special features, right? So yeah, there you go, yeah, special features and the movie also right here. Nice, okay, yeah, great pickup everyone. So yeah, that's so so many, okay, yeah, okay, it's part of my collection. And then yeah, so I didn't have this kind of DVD collection when I was still in Philippines, right? It's because in our country, Philippines, they don't sell anymore like this one, right? So I think start from the early 2016, I think they just stopped doing DVD, original DVDs and also CDs in our country. So when I get here, so I decided to what is this called, continuing. I decided to continue my hobbies. My hobby is to collect, okay, DVDs and also CDs, right? So yeah, since when I was in high school, I love watching movies and also listening to music. So my classmates listening to music in CDs and also tape cassette like that one. And then also, yeah, and also I have this friend of mine, a close friend of mine, which is also my classmate in high school. He was also a DVD collector, all right. So, but mostly of his DVD is mostly on horror movie. But he also loves some action movies, just like Pirates of the Caribbean, right? So he just loved Pirates of the Caribbean movies. Okay, so he just got a big artwork of the Pirates of the Caribbean, the Curse of the Black Pearl, in his house, okay, in their house, okay, in their house, a big artwork of, he drawn it, right, by hand only. Woo, that was awesome, and I really love that. I really love his artwork, right? So it's because he's good in drawing, okay? He's really good in drawing. So yeah, I also admire him. So yeah, my collection is also gonna be dedicated to my friends. So yeah, if you are watching this, yes, I am here now, and also living my life, living my happiness, right? And also collecting DVDs, continuing collecting my DVDs, right? Collecting my DVDs here in USA. So yeah, so if ever you are watching, so yeah, if ever you are watching right now, so you're gonna have to watch this one, okay? So yes, I also posted this in my Facebook, okay? All right, so I have also my Facebook account, okay, my personal Facebook, and also I've got a Facebook page for my, like this one, okay? Yeah, and also got some stuff with the Randy's Hubs, which is my YouTube channel, okay? Randy's Hubs PH. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and also, uh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned is because I will be giving some of new stuffs here in my channel, just like this one. Okay, so thank you so much and see you again on the next one.